Descending triangles. In this video you will learn what a descending triangle pattern is and how to identify one on your price chart. 2 ways to trade the pattern. The descending triangle is a price pattern made up of 2 trend lines, a flat lower trend line which acts as support and an upper down sloping trend line which acts as resistance. The pattern can indicate that the bears are gaining control with lower highs and weakening support, leading to a possible breakout to the downside. In this video, we will show you 2 ways you can trade the descending triangle. Now that you know what the descending triangle looks like, let us look at 2 ways of trading the pattern. The first way a trader can look to take advantage of the pattern is to wait for the price to break below the lower trend line and then go short. It is always a good idea to wait for the candle to close below the lower trend line after price breaks out, as this confirms that the bears are in control. The stop loss can be placed above the down-sloping trend line. The profit objective can be measured by taking the height of the back of the triangle and extending this measurement to the downside where price broke out from the lower trend line. The second way to trade this pattern is to wait for the price to break out of the triangle as previously shown, but instead of entering directly after the breakout, you wait for the price to pull back and retest the lower level of the triangle. In other words, you are looking for broken support to become resistance. The stop loss would be smaller when trading this way, as it would go above the new resistance level. The profit objective is calculated in exactly the same way as the first method, by measuring the height of the back of the triangle and extending this measurement from the breakout point where price broke the lower trend line. So far, you have learned that the descending triangle pattern signals a weakening support level and a potential downwards move. This presents a possible selling opportunity. You can trade a descending triangle by either trading a breakout of the triangle or look to enter when price pulls back to the lower trend line. The stop loss would go above the resistance level. To measure the profit objective, measure the height of the back of the triangle and extend this measurement from the breakout point where price broke out from the lower trend line.